I get the contract work, advance is
It's
released.
in the discharge of sovereign responsibilities of the
Yes,
state.
yes, that part of it, I said, I come under that. The direct financial, this thing, initially at the time of registration, it was given. Thereafter,
And you get a preference in any contract?
yes.
Reservation idea nimge?
No. Reservation
Preference
illa.
idea?
Preference officially illa, but I have my governing committee members who are in a position to get me the work.
So if anybody else submits a tender, you will get it.
No, it is done for those who are unskilled ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್.
But to take a contention that it's not, and to keep this pending for last 8 years here and not make available the transparency has to be there in that organization.
Of course, everything I would request, apart from dealing with the case, your lordship may also add a word that if they are to have their own website and putting all those things on the website, many of these can be downloaded and other things.
All activities have to be there. It's a question of transparency.
Please.
Heard Shri Jaykumar S. Patil, and Senior Counsel for the petitioner, Shri J. Prashant for respond number 3, Shri Amrutesh NP for respond number 4. Nimde Shri Rajshekar K for respond number 1, and AGA for the state reserved.
Please.
DAVHK College Trust judgment.
DAV.
That one.
Registered direct delete name of Ms. Lakshmi Devi ST as that appearing for the petitioner and retain the name of Shri Rahul P as that appearing for the petitioner.
Another one judgment from your.
Century Club,
From
your lordship
Century
is
Club,
well
your
aware.
lordship.
Well aware.
Adu substantial investment.
Land is granted at a concession.
Your lordship.
Well aware.
Adu substantial investment.
Land is granted at a concession.
Concession.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ.
Serial number 13, adjourned. 14, Sunil Kumar Patel.
Why is it listed today?
Yesterday I filed for Wakalat Miller. Kindly it will be taken next week, Miller.
Shri P.S. Malli Patil submit that on behalf of Shri P.S. Malli Patil, either I submitted that Wakalatnama has been filed. He seeks for and is granted 2 weeks time to go through the same and make his submissions. Go through the file and make his submissions. Relist on GM, relist on 11th August.
Bleached.
15,
You have to go to another court or you'll be here? Relist on 11th August.
list number 3, order serial number.
Yesterday, there was a meeting that was held, my lord. We submitted a representation with the various places that are available. They've also done a survey and they found that 10 of the petitioners are above the age of 60. The oldest is 76. And what they've told us is that they will make an endeavor to find place for them to keep their
For these
their
10
thing.
people.
So what I thought I'll propose is this, my lord, that we will work with them along with this. In the meanwhile, of course, we'll have that we have insofar as the heritage market, etc. If we may put that, maybe we can give a much more
The vending
consolidated
committee will
request.
have to decide on
Yes,
that.
to the town vending committee so that they can decide it, my lord.
So you want to file some other documents also.
Yes, so we can make a comprehensive kind of request to them, maybe with all of these photographs saying this is what we are requesting. If that can be disposed in accordance
They,
with.
historically, they'll also have to look at it.
Please.
ನೀವೇನೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, my lord.
As far as natural market is concerned, it is for town vending committee. And as far as these 10 people are concerned, as I said that old age people, for them, some space is there near to metro station, below metro station. So we will also write a letter to BMRCL. They have said that they will also.
We will also make a.
So we'll dispose of the matter on. So he'll dispose of the matter on that basis.
One point, my lordship. As far as these 10 people are,
That basis.
one point, my lordship. As far as these 10 people are concerned, we don't have any objection for them to keep anything
For
after
now.
going now. But other people have
Others
to
will have to
vacate.
remove.
And
If
my
they
lord,
are not
that,
doing it,
my
we
request is
can
let it
do
not
it.
be an order of the court, my lord. We will undertake that we will do that, my lord.
We'll make it part of
Undertaking
the
is
order so
there.
that they won't also do anything. These names, this list is
Yes,
there.
my lord. And the
We'll make
remaining,
it
my
part
lord,
of the order.
it can be recorded that that whatever they have said till now, that we have already complied with our undertaking. We will continue. We recorded that that whatever they have said till now, that we have already complied with our undertaking. We will continue with that till now, that we have already complied with our undertaking. We will continue with that undertaking, my lord. And that's my word, my lord, because on the last date when my lord said, you please see if it was not done. Immediately we spoke to them that very evening, but everything was taken out. So it's the word that's been given, my lord.
It should not create any
Not at all,
fun
no.
for the vehicles and rather two-wheelers, it'll be a big problem.
Please, my
Cars ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾರ್ಗ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. But if it is the two-wheeler, then
no, my lord.
in the night it could be a problem.
I understand that.
Let it be an observation if they are. Yes, my lordship.
We have cooperated this far, my lord. Obviously, we
They'll
will
remove.
cooperate.
But that is
If
my
they
instruction.
don't remove it, please mention the matter before us in this matter only. Since we have disposed, please mention.
Please, please.
Because if we give that authority to your officers,
But they are not doing it. That is my instruction, my lordship.
you let us know. You produce the photographs, we'll handle it.
Yes.
But if we leave it to,
I understand that apprehension of my lords.
you know what happens.
But the thing is, there are many things which are involved, my lordship. Even the people who are doing street vending there, they have given it for rent to others. There's so many issues which I am not telling to this honorable court,
That
because
will
I
be-
understand there is
That
something.
will be decided by the
Town
vending
vending
committee and all those. So, but you said you have the elections to the vending committee fast,
that they have to.
and so that they can take a decision. All decisions come to a standstill because of it.
Because of what they are leaving over.
Pawan also, I know.
You
In
also
our
have
objections,
audience
we have
today.
stated so much.
Both
So
of
that
you have
structure is
audience.
not-
We don't have ashta.
My lord, we are always with your lords, my lord.
Petitioners are before this court seeking for the following reliefs. During the pendency of the above matter, various interim orders have been passed, taking into consideration the submission made by Sri Clifton Rosario, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Sri Pawan Kumar, learned counsel for the BBMP. In pursuance of those directions, the vending on the drain has been restricted. In pursuance of those directions, the vending has been restricted. The vendors, the street vendors have agreed to remove all their carts and or any material that they have used for purpose of safeguarding themselves from elements of nature during the course of vending. And it's also been undertaken by affidavits being filed that all covering, etc., would be removed by end of day when the vendors vacate the market, vacate the vending area, market on record, vending area. Insofar as the maintenance of the drain is concerned, there's also undertaking given by street vendors that they would not. A meeting was held between the parties where they have identified that 10 persons who are aged above 60 would be provided a special facility for the purpose of storage of those vendable items, which facility would not be available for the other vendors. The list of vendors is as below. The submission of Sri Pawan Kumar on instructions from so and so is that insofar as these 10 persons are concerned, a suitable place would be identified for them to store the vendable items after the closure of vending hours during the night, the BBMP not taking any responsibility for the safety thereof, which they can retrieve during the vending hours, which submission is placed on record. As regards the declaration of the market as a national market, elections to the town vending committee being required to be held, once such elections are held, the representation which have been submitted by the petitioner would be placed before the town vending committee for appropriate consideration. Liberty is reserved to the petitioners. Liberty would have to be reserved to the petitioners to place on record such documents as they wish to, until such a decision of the town vending committee is made. The petitioners would be are permitted to carry out their vending activities in the subject area without let or interference by the BBMP and its officers. Anything else?
Please, my lord.
The morning they should come and they should.
That is already,
Morning they should come with their things.
that is already,
Morning they should come with their things, and in the evening they should clear them. There should be no carts or nothing should be there in the
That's
nights.
all. First time only. First para only we said that. Second para.
But if they continue it, my lordship may say something regarding.
Liberty is reserved to the petitioner. With the above observations, placing the submissions of the councils and with the above observations, the petitions are disposed of. Liberty is reserved to the petitioner and the BBMP to move this court if there is any difficulty in implementation of the above.
Or if there is any violation of the undertaking by the petitioner.
Implementation and Radhenapa.
Because yesterday also I produced their photographs, my lordship. They are not doing it. Here they
my
come.
lord,
They
that's
have,
not even us. In fact, I was
the
telling
other
Mr.
photographs
Pawan,
were there only. my
let them try and take that out, my lord. Then
That is why.
Now this 10 people, it's been sorted out.
For 10 people, it's.
So now it falls in place. The rest of it is there.
Yes,
my
let
lord,
them.
just one request. Insofar as the others are concerned, that we may request the BBMP and the town vending committee, my lord, for any kind of storage space for us. And if it can be possible,
An affidavit of the Engineer-in-Chief BBMP has been filed which reads as under. A procedural thereof would indicate that relying on the same learned counsel for the BBMP submits that with effect from 30/4/2025, all works including calling for issuance of notices, giving extension of time for work completion, penalty imposed, issuance of completion certificate, monitoring of the, we are adding, would be completely web hosted on the KPP portal. The monitoring of the works undertaken. The monitoring of the works would also have to be uploaded onto the web portal with the necessary photographs being uploaded.
Yes.
Needless to say, any upload
State that is not uploaded, that is state that is not uploaded, that is where my lord probably full compliance has not been done.
24.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಒಂದು
ಅದು
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್
3/7.
Yes, 3/7 my lord.
It's not been uploaded.
It is not uploaded. That is where my lord, whatever I noted, these things have been rectified.
Learned counsel for the Satyanand B. has learned counsel for respond number 1 to 3. submit that the order dated 24/4/25 and 3/7/25 has not been uploaded.
Yes.
Registry is directed to get the same uploaded.
ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್
It seeks for 3 weeks time thereafter to
Yes.
report further compliance.
ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ತಾವು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದೇ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಮ್ಗೆ
ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್
ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಮುಗೀತು.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Released on 20th August.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಚ್.
CRP number.
CRP pending.
Returnable by 22nd, returnable by first, then CS side, no?
Please, yes.
Yes, returnable by 4th September. ಇದು amount is 794,952. 25% in 4 weeks, 25% 4 weeks thereafter.
15%.
See, we are seeing all we are purposely doing 25% because ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು interest ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ 20 lakhs loan, they have repaid 25 lakhs. Now the dues is 66 lakhs. So it is in your interest to pay this.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You paid. If you're not able to pay, Bunny, otherwise paid. We feel 25 so and so. Issue notice to respond number 2 written by Zaitala. Process fee and copies to be furnished by end of day 25th July, failing which the interim order will stand automatic vacate. Needless to say, auction shall go on, but shall not be confirmed. In the event of the petition not making payment of the above amounts, response would be free to confirm the auction.
For hand delivery, day after tomorrow is auction.
And delivery.
Serial number 2, Sarvamangala.
Voting,
My Lord, my nomination have been rejected, my Lord, by the returning officer. The respond number 5 is the cooperative society, my Lord. And I applied, I find my nominations and the same has been rejected without assigning any reasons, my Lord.
Where is the rejection?
My Lord, at Annexure E, my Lord. Annexure D, Annexure E is the rejection, my Lord.
When is the election?
27th, my Lord.
Find out more. File ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Sir, ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ sir.
AG's office ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ. And AG accepts notice for respond number 1, 3, 4. Kiran Kumar for respond number 2. Respond number 2 change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Notice to respond number 5 is deferred on 25th.
Lord, 27th is the election.
Tomorrow is 25th.
Passed over matters. List number 1, serial number, list number 1, serial number 3. And B.
Serial number 3, my lord. Serial number 3, my lord. In this case, my lord, last date of hearing.
Mike,
my lord,
Mike,
your
on
lordship-
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Last date of hearing, my lord, your lordship has directed him to produce the, furnish the copy of the writ petition, my lord.
ಇನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
My lord, we have submitted 2 copies, my lord. On 8/7/2025, my lord, I have submitted the acknowledgement also in the counter, my lord. I submitted 2 copies, my lord.
Your lordship has
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
directed him to.
8/7.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ತಲುಪಿಸಿದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
2025, my lord. I submitted 2 copies, my lord.
ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫರ್ನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Please note my submission, my lord. We have submitted
ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ.
complete file given, my lord. 2
My lord,
sets.
your
ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Your lordship has directed him to produce the copy on 9/7, my lord.
ಕೊಡ್ರಿ,
9/7,
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೇನು?
by the end of the day, you have to furnish the copy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ನಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟ್.
Learned counsel for the petition, your writ petition has been
please,
received, the documents have not been received. Counsel for the petitioner is undertakes to furnish full set of the petition along with annexures to the learned AGA by end of day 29th July.
Yes, my lord, is voted, my lord.
Voted. Declare results, please.
Number 18.
18, my lord. As per record, my lord.
In fact, the same document, my lord, was produced by my learned friend along with the memo. After seeing that document, your lordship, my lord, asked the
ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ document in same document.
ಅದು ಆ ಮೆಮೊ ಜೊತೆ ಇವರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4.
Lord, it is very clearly say that, my lord, 2-5, my lord, regarding ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
This is only fixing the salary.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ salary.
the-
Therefore, your lordship.
As per, my lord, this is my not original copies there, my lord. We secure, my lord, from society. They will give this copy, my lord, regarding 7 is resolution is there. But
Where is the resolution?
lord, it is not stated that in, my lord.
In fact, it is in the 2009 resolution, my lords. This book has only 2010 resolutions. The lordship may resolutions. The lordship may direct them to produce the original records of 2009.
To regard, my lord, regarding, my lord,
Lord.
all documents with, my lord, society only, not.
My learned friend, my lord, appearing for respondent number 4 has produced one document annexure R1.
That
Showing
is the
that
same thing as this.
president has appointed her. R1 ಮೆಮೊದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ತಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ತಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
The resolution is here, copy of which is here, my lord.
And
This is from 28/10/2009.
This is dated.
First resolution is 28/10. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದಿದೆ.
Resolution is there ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, but
2008-9 ಇಂದ ಇದೆ ಇದು. There is no other 9-10.
36/2009, my lord. One resolution which I have got.
Nothing is here.
as per, my lord, the base scale is, my lord, prescribed in the, my lord, that.
Oh, that they
Pay
according
scale comes later. First you have to increase,
Please, please.
then you have to recruit, then you have to appoint, and then pay scale. Or
Appointment, my lord.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು pay scale ಹೆಂಗ್ fix ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, in respect
Without
of-
following this.
In respect of, my lord, regarding section 17, we can, my lord, they,
Without a resolution, without any discussion.
I'm not saying that, my lord, the resolution is there, my lord, but is not original. That is the reason, my lord, I have. ಅದು
ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದು? ಅದು ಬೇರೆನಾ?
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬೇರೆ
ನೋಡಿ.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿಷಯ?
ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ನಿರ್ಣಯ.
ನಿರ್ಣಯ
First
7.
page, 170, my lord. Next, my lord, 173, my lord.
ನಿರ್ಣಯ 7.
Please.
ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು?
Lord, that has been, my lord, not here. That is the reason, my lord.
Who has done this ನಿರ್ಣಯ?
Society, 36/9 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 36 170 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಪೇಜ್ 170 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 36/2009 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಸೊ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
This
Lordship may direct that book to be produced, my lords.
in respect of, my lord, that book, my lord, with society only, my lord.
Who appears for society?
Administrator has been appointed.
not now they are disqualified, my lord, on this ground only on this ground. Therefore, your lordship had state the disqualification. Since the administrator was appointed, my lord, your lordship had directed the administrator to produce all the,
Administrator.
yes, all those documents.
That regard, my lord,
Lord AGA has produced the original of the minute book pertaining to the year post
Not, Lord, that is.
interim order earlier granted.
Extend
With
disqualification
extent
of stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
With extent
Disqualification of stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Administrator only on this ground, not they have
Not
disqualified.
only on this ground, my lords.
Only on this ground. Even other,
Just see that document.
only on.
ಏನು photocopy
And-
ಇದೆ.
And the provision also says, not rule.
Now that they have shown us the, ಏನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, photocopy ತೋರಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you would have done that. Photocopy ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಏನೋ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. Let him produce that book.
Let them produce more.
Original ಇಲ್ಲದೆ photocopy ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Let them produce.
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
Serial number,
Let them produce.
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
serial number 23. Ji Sharda Bhai.
One request.
Coffee had the effect or not? ಅಂತ.
It has given rise to submissions to be made.
This is the result already announced. Kindly see the, in form 21, the votes are counted and already published.
Not the writ itself was not.
That voting particulars may kindly be seen.
No, this is a false
Total
statement.
members of kindly be seen.
No, this is a false
Total
statement.
members of the
I do not
society-
accept this. Just now they have given it. I do not accept this. Just now they have given a copy.
The total members of the
No,
society.
this is a document prepared by.
ಇದು impleading of.
ಹೌದೌದು, ಈ ಸೋತವರು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೊಸದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಮೊದಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ since others have not cooperated, I got information.
I see.
Based on instruction, I prepared. and
Sir,
give it to
you were implemented long ago.
They should compliment me for my efforts instead of that criticizing me. I'm
Anyway,
sorry.
be that as it may, my very respectful submission is identical circumstances this Honorable Court has already
But
issued.
even this, because they have contested alarm.
But your lordships may
There's
kindly see me.
nothing.
Kindly see the result, it is already declared.
My lord,
The
repercussions
number of
may
votes
kindly-
secured by each candidate is already declared in form 21. Now form 22 and 23 will have to be issued, which is a formal certificate.
Repercussions may kindly be seen. 122 is the valid eligible voters. 153 is may not the ineligible voters. Valid voters tendered is 120. Then invalid voters may not 41 ineligible candidate voters tendered their vote. These 41 votes makes much material effect. All ineligible voters going to defeat. My lord,
No,
if
no,
the
no, this
result
is a false statement.
I'm
The
sorry.
draft list of voters included all of us as eligible voters. The draft list was published. We were included as eligible voters. Then said,
We contested.
yes.
So once they are contested, how do we can't pass any order in this matter, and it has to be only by way of a
That is,
dispute.
out of these 10
Hmm.
petitioners before your lordships, 3 were contested. All the 3 have received 3, 4 and 1 votes. They are almost all. It makes no difference for them.
Hmm.
So far as in totality of 41, which includes your 31 persons before the division bench. This is the repercussions we have noticed. Now eligible voters are going to lose their election as against the ineligible voters. This is the effect of the system that we would like to brought to
Yeah,
our lordship.
Ravindra is 5 votes. And who is the other person who is?
Another person is not there. 5, 3, 2. ಯಾರವರು? ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ.
One Tayappa have taken my lord 3 votes. Then Yashodamma my lord only 1, 0 votes. She is the petitioner before your lordships. Another person have taken 3 votes before your lordships is concerned. These 10
Muni
persons who
Venkatappa
are the
H. Yeah, who are all the people who have contested?
Tayappa. These only 3 are
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ
contested.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್
10 ಜನರೊಳಗೆ ಮಧುನೇರು 24ನೇ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಾಯಪ್ಪ 24 5 ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ನಂಬರ್
ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ನಂಬರ್ number 2.
P2.
Yashodamma is Milord's third petitioner. She got no votes. Even her vote is also not counted.
Serial number?
Serial number 5 in the second block.
Okay, first block ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
ಐದು ಜನ ಇದೆ.
Ravindra AR is serial number 16 in the first block.
25 ಅವನು 5 ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
5, ಅದು Ravindra is P1.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಇನ್ಯಾರು?
ಅಷ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು 3 ಜನ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. They are the voters.
Second block.
ಯಾರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. They are the voters.
Second block al serial number?
Same.
Serial number ಏನು?
Second block.
ಯಶೋದಮ್ಮ is serial number?
ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ 2 vote ಅಂತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು?
Serial number.
Item number 25.
Rangaswamy is 5.
25 in which block?
13.
First block.
13. Rangaswamy.
ಅಲ್ಲ 25.
ಯಶೋದಮ್ಮ 0.
0.
ಇನ್ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ತಾಯಪ್ಪ, ರವೀಂದ್ರ.
ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಶೋದಮ್ಮ.
ಮೂರೇನಾ?
3 ಜನ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಈ 10 ಜನ.
Out of the petitioners?
ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ serial number 8 petitioner.
Serial number?
8.
Petition number 8.
Petition number 8. ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25ನೇ serial number, ಅವ್ರ 5 vote.
25.
25.
25 ಸುರೇಶ್ HK.
ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
No, my lord. 25 is Rangaswamy C.
He is at serial number 13.
ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
13.
ಅದು ಇದು ಫೈನಲ್.
ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ 3.
13.
ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ is petitioner?
Petition number 8.
P8.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 8.
ಇನ್ಯಾರಾದ್ರು? ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್.
They may be right. I don't want to.
Then you verify this, otherwise there's no point in.
No, but I kindly permit me to say this. I request the court to kindly take annexures.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು you succeeded ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. You're not succeeded.
ಇಲ್ಲ. I did not.
Somebody said
contested ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
Contested.
Not succeed.
Then it is fine.
Not
Then we can hear the matter.
Kindly see
If
annexure.
Succeeded ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, annexure B, page 21.
The previous, I believe in the previous year,
This was
they have not
this
participated.
is where our cases were, after notice, we filed our objections. 14 of us had filed objections and our objections were sustained and we were declared eligible.
We will have to hear you in this.
Then
It has to be heard.
thereafterwards, annexure C is the draft list of eligible voters. Annexure C.
Yes.
All of us are included in the eligible voters list. Now, this is made with reference to the earlier document annexure B, which is referred to at serial number 4. Then the final list of voters is published, annexure D, page 39. All our names are deleted.
Suppression of material
without
facts
notice.
are all there.
We'll
my
have
lord.
to
We
hear
need
you
to
now.
hear the
No,
matter.
no, great
We'll have
respect.
to hear you now. You can get ready and ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ. It will have to, it can't be completed now.
Arguments illa.
Readings are also
Without
com-
notice, our names are deleted from the list of eligible.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್
Have
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
not voted the previous year, nor in this year, they are not eligible. There are certain reasons which are not forthcoming. We have to state all that. One man funds them to come before this. We have to state all that. One man funds them to come before this court and.
No, I take strong exception to this
It's a
statement.
proof.
Yeah,
There's an email sent by him to the council.
Senior counsel for the petitioner submit that the above petition may be disposed of in terms of similar orders passed in other matters like that dated 3rd April 25 in WP number 6285 of 2025. The same is opposed by Shri M.R. Rajgopal and senior counsel, as also Mr. Lokre Leonard, Suresh Lokre Leonard, senior counsel, appearing for the respondents. They submit that there are issues which are required to be decided, legal issues which are required to be decided by this court, and as said, the matter may be taken up for hearing. All the counsels are requested to exchange their respective synopsis. Already ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ. Last time ಎಲ್ಲ exchange ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ನಾವೇನು
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರೇನು
pleading
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
application ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. It
Allow
may be
again.
considered along with merit under Ameleno now.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ,
I will
allow
do
again.
it, my lord, within 1
All
week.
the respective councils are requested to exchange their respective synopsis of dates and events, list of authorities along with authorities,
Please.
with all the other councils appearing in the matter in advance on or before. ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್
Any early date, any early date.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ನಾಳೆನೆ
In 1
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
week, we will do it.
On or before 1st August, relist on 7th August.
Please.
Including the year allow ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. May be considered along with merit.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು.
It's as good as allowing.
ಅವ್ರಿಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Implemented respondent.
I want this compliment. I'm grateful to Ravi Verma Kumar.
We can't say much. Only we can say this cooperative word is not given the effect.
Non-cooperate.
Serial number 29.
Mr. Dhananjay,
PF.
dismissal.
Yes.
PF certificate.
Listen. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ 25th September. If needful is not done by 1st August, relist on 7th August for dismissal.
32. Jayaprakash Reddy.
32, my lord, election is not held, my lord. The returning officer is appointed, my lord.
Not held.
Please.
At the request of counsel for the petitioner, seeks for and is granted a week's time to make payment necessary process fee in respect to unserved respondent, as also to comply with office objection.
Please.
If process fee is paid by 1st August, Registries Act issue notice to unserved respondent returned by 25th September. If not paid by 1st August, released on 7th August for dismissal. If process fee is not paid by 1st August and or office objections are not complied by 1st August, released on 7th August for dismissal.
44. N. Bhargav.
Yes. 25% waive of, my lord. Court fee, my lord, KT.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾಪ? They have to get that 4 crores or 6 crores.
Please, my lord. They sought for some instructions from
ಓ, ಹೊಸ ಹುಡುಗ.
tomorrow.
ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೆರಡಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ.
71.
My lords, we are informed that the entire loan amount has been repaid, my lords. However, a week's time may be granted. We'll confirm with this.
Counsel for the petitioner submit that the entire loan account, the counsel for the petitioner submit that she has been informed of the entire loan account has been cleared. She would verify and make her submissions by placing the relevant documents on record.
Please, my lord.
Relist on 14th August.
Grateful, my lords.
76.
Has submitted his application before the registrar, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟೇ?
Within
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
6 weeks, my lord.
ಬೀಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
4 weeks, my lord.
Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following reliefs. The representation dated 23/10/24 had been submitted by the petitioner
Sir, Koto.
alleging that there is some misappropriation of funds and as such requested the respondent to take necessary action. Learned AGA on inquiry submit that the said representation is being considered
Please,
and given 4 weeks' time,
please.
necessary orders would be passed. His submission answers the grievance of the petitioner. Placing the said submission on record, the petition stands disposed.
Please.
Serial number 80. Prasanna DP.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Bhagat.
Yes, morning I sought time copy. Copy is served now. Yes, my lord. I have gone through it, my lord. My lord, in this case, I took instruction from the bank also. Here, what has happened, my lord? Mother is a class 1 heir. She came and objected. Therefore, we took a legal opinion, relying on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the Sarabati Devi case. They told she is also entitled for 1/3 share. For that purpose, they have suppressed that fact, my lord. I will take a lordship the death certificate, my lord. First, I will take a
property. If the son dies without a will, the mother share property. If the son dies without a will, the mother share is determined by the presence of mother legal heirs. She is typically receive a 1/3 share if there are no surviving children or grandchildren, and a 1/6 share if there are surviving children or grandchildren.
ಏನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
That's the.
And section 8 is clear, my lords. Read with schedule 1.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Artificial intelligence ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದ್ ಬೇಡ. ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಕೇರಳ ಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಬಂಗಾಲ್ ಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತಾಕ್ಷರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1/3 ಇನ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks for and is granted. ನಾಳೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಬರಲು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಜೆಮಿನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ.
Tomorrow I will submit that if it's.
Seeks for a day's time, release tomorrow.
I have seen, my lords, there is no order passed against the petition.
My lord, illegal, my lord. Another thing is, my lord, the CEO
Appointment itself may be, but you have to take action in accordance with law.
on that regard,
We'll accept, if you have to accept your submission.
please.
Where is the resolution of the board?
Regarding, my lord, my submission is, my lord, I kindly say, my lord, I have given the document now, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ
Fact finding report, my lord.
Where is the action? Simple.
Please, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Have you
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
have you initiated disciplinary proceedings? Have you put him under suspension?
No.
No, in respect of, my lord, is not appointed itself, my lord. Appointment ತಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
Appointment ಇವಾಗ is there, so unless show cause notice is issued.
Regarding, that is a concern. We have said that ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಇದ್ರದಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ತಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ರಿ ನಾನು
ಬಡಿ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು
ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, obviously I am the secretary of the society.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Lord, may I read?
21 to 25.
Please. Page number 2, my lord. Para second, my lord. Para first.